Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Taking a look at this morning's radar imagery here, we can see we are remaining clear of any notable reflectivity, expecting that to be the case as we work our through the day today, and any reflectivity will likely be seen far west of the region. So looking to be a nice day as far as precipitation goes. And as we look ahead towards the holiday weekend and the next 7 days ahead, we can expect warmer than average temperatures for both today and tomorrow as a warm front, pushes northwards through the region. And then on Sunday, we'll see a low pressure system passing through the Great Lakes region, and that will be dragging along a strong cold front that will ultimately reach the area by midday on Sunday, and that is likely to deliver a line of rain upwards of a half an inch or more, some gusty winds, and even the chance of an embedded thunderstorm as it moves through. Then following its passage, if we look onto the upper left image here, we'll see that cooler air will begin filtering into the region, with highs dipping just below average, and that will be the case for the following 2 days as we see that high pressure building in. And then by Tuesday, we can expect another front to pass through the region or through the area, and that will reinforce those cooler temperatures under northeasterly flow. And highs will be unfortunately well below average, and our overnight lows will be near freezing for that time period. Then Thursday comes along, and to round out the 7 days ahead, we'll see those temperatures start rebounding with high pressure building in or starting to push off to the eastern seaboard, and we'll see those temperatures start to climb and, as mentioned earlier, rebound for the latter half of next week. Taking a look at this morning's 24-hour forecast for the day ahead, saw fog early. That those low-level clouds have since lifted, and we are seeing those partly cloudy skies to mostly cloudy skies as of current, expecting that to continue trending in the positive direction, where we'll see mostly clear skies later this evening, and then some slight cloud cover building in tomorrow morning. For temperatures today, steadily climbing as we move towards the afternoon, with temperatures expected in the lower to mid 70s, and for precipitation, expecting dry conditions with winds gradually increasing as we move through the day, largely out of the southwest to south-southwest. And we do have some color for the slight chance of seeing a wind advisory once we get past the midday mark and through the working hours of today. Those ceilings should remain above 500 feet for the remainder of the day, as mentioned earlier, seeing improving conditions overall. And for the short-term risk chart here on Saturday, greens across the board, partly cloudy conditions and a high in the upper 70s. And then Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy and a low around 60 with greens across the board. And we might see some of those adverse conditions that we are going to anticipate on Sunday kind of making their way into the area on Sunday morning in that Saturday night period. But overall, though, overarching conditions should be green for Saturday night. But then Sunday, cloudy and breezy with rain likely, and even the chance of seeing some embedded thunderstorms, and a good chance of seeing a wind advisory for that period with a high around 70. And that will bring us on to the 7-day forecast for the week ahead, seeing mostly sunny conditions as we move through the day today once those clouds start properly clearing out. See that continue on Saturday before that front arrives. Saturday does look to be the warmest of the day as those warm temperatures pile up ahead of that cold front that arrives midday on Sunday. That's where our rain and thunderstorm chances come into play. Then Monday, we'll see things clear out and temperatures dropping as cold air filters in from the north, and that will be the case for Monday and Tuesday. We'll get another cold front looking to be possible on Tuesday, dropping the temperatures even further for the coolest day of the week ahead. And then Thursday, things start to rebound as far as temperatures go, and we do see a little bit more cloud cover build into the forecast. Overall, Sunday looks to be the worst as far as our risk goes for adverse weather, and then we have a cool yet calm end to the week ahead. That is going to conclude the 7-day forecast. We'll be back on Monday with the daily weather operations brief, and hope everyone has a wonderful Friday and a great holiday weekend ahead.